Hi, Adele from Ipswich City Mechanical. So brakes are a vital component of your vehicle. Poor brake performance and condition can result in substantially longer braking distances, potentially placing you and your passengers in danger. Squealing brakes, grinding on your rotors, or unusual vibrations may indicate your brakes need replacing, and it's best not to ignore that squealing noise. A question we always get when pricing brake pad replacement is, do I really need to machine my disc rotors? Our answer is yes. The smoother the surface of the rotor, the more efficient the braking. So when your new brake pads are fitted, machining the brake rotor ensures maximum braking efficiency. Also, for effective braking, new brake pads should fit flush against the disc rotor. This is why we always quote on disc machining when replacing brake pads. If you're not sure of how your braking system works, please send us a message or an email and we can send you a short video explaining how it all works. That's it for this week's Tuesday Tips. Have a terrific Tuesday. Bye.